Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Friday Tech Roundup, where we give you the inside scoop on all the latest and greatest tech news. So without further ado, here's the rundown. So first up, the government is to boost space tech funding to reduce carbon emissions and improve energy security. 3 million is to be given to projects to collect solar power with satellites in the Earth's orbit, and also extra funding for a high power weather sensor. Next up, Starling has withdrawn its European bank license application in a blow to global ambitions. Instead, Starling is going to focus on selling its software as a service product, which helps banks with their digital transformation strategies and also expanding into new areas of lending. Number 3, Ericsson, Qualcomm and Thales are planning on taking 5G to space. This could mean that in future, your 5G smartphones can use 5G connectivity anywhere on Earth, including seas, oceans and other areas where there's zero coverage. Number 4, the government has approved the construction of the world's longest drone superhighway in the UK. The aim of this project is to unlock the immense potential that unmanned aerial vehicles have, including deploying drones to transport post and medication on a regular basis. And finally, number 5, Crunchbase News has released an article speaking about Klarna's recent fall from grace. The article goes on to discuss whether companies are being overvalued and calls into question Unicorn Board Valuations. Before you head off, if you're interested in learning more about ML Ops, why not join us at our next DevOps Playground next week on Thursday the 28th of July. We'll be joined by Sami and Afroz, and they'll be giving us an insight into the data science world. Doors open at 6 p.m, so make sure to swing by in our London office for some free pizza and drinks. So thank you for joining me on this week's episode of the Friday Tech Roundup. I'll see you next week with even more tech news.